Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Belinda Sari with NPM 234111103. On this occasion, I will discuss the topic definition, types, and elements of taxation. Taxes are one of the most important aspects of national life, as they are the method of state revenue used to finance various public interests. A proper understanding of taxation is essential for every citizen, both individual and business entities, so that we can fulfill our tax obligation correctly and with full awareness. A general tax can be defined as mandating contribution paid by the public, the state, based on law, without direct compensation, and used to finance state expenditure for the benefit of the public as a whole. Taxes are collective in nature, meaning that every citizen who meets the requirement according to regulation must pay tax, and if they fail to do so, sanction will be imposed. According to Prof. Rahmat Sumitro, taxes are public contribution to the state treasury based on law, which can be enforced without receiving reciprocal service and used to finance general expenditure. From this definition, we can conclude that taxes are an essential instrument for carrying out the function of the state. Taxes can be classified into several groups. First, based on the collection authority, these are central tax and regional tax. Central tax are collection by the central government through the Directorate General of Tax, such as income tax or PPh, and value-added tax atau VAT. Regional tax are collection by local government, both the provincial and district or city level, such as motor vehicle tax and hotel tax. Second, based on their nature, tax can be direct or indirect. Direct tax are those whose burden cannot be shifted to another party, such as income tax. Indirect tax are those whose burden can be transferred to another party, such as VAT. They're based on their object or subject. Tax can be important and on income, consumption, or ownership of asset. Example include income tax for income, VAT for consumption of goods and services, and land and building tax for property ownership. In addition to understanding the types of tax, it is also important to know their element. The first element is the tax subject, namely the party liable to pay tax, whether an individual or a legal entity. The second is the tax object, which is anything subject to taxation, such as income, transaction, or ownership. Third, this is the tax rate. This is the per tax or amount of tax payable. The fourth is the tax base, which is the value used to calculate the tax due. The fifth is the taxpayer, which refers to a tax subject who meet objective criteria to be liable for tax. And the sixth is the law tax, which serves at the legal basis, providing certainty and the for signature in its collection. That's all the presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.